In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change book categories on KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. This tutorial is perfect for beginners looking to fine-tune how their books appear on Amazon. It's a simple process, but paying attention to categories can significantly impact your book's visibility and sales. Let's start by logging into your KDP account. If you're new to KDP, you'll need your Amazon credentials for this. Once you're logged in, navigate to your bookshelf. This is essentially your command center, where you'll find all the books you've published or are currently working on. It's organized and user-friendly, making it easy to locate your titles. Once you've found the book you want to update, look for the Edit Book Details option. This is crucial because it allows you to modify the book's information, including its category, description, and other key details. Clicking Edit Book Details will take you to a page where you can manage all these elements. As much as possible, keep descriptions concise and engaging to capture potential readers' interest. Now let's talk about updating those all-important categories. Why are the right categories so vital, you might ask? Well, choosing the appropriate categories helps your book get discovered by readers who are interested in your specific genre or topic. Be aware, though, that you can select only a few categories, so think carefully about which ones best fit your book's theme. To update your categories, you'll find a section dedicated to them on the Edit page. Go through the options available and select the categories that best match your book's content. If you're unsure about which categories to choose, take a moment to research other books similar to yours to see which categories they fall under. This can provide valuable insights into what readers in your niche are looking for. Once you've made your selections, don't forget the final and crucial step, saving your changes. This might seem obvious, but it's an easy step to overlook. Saving ensures that all your updates are recorded, and your book is positioned correctly in its new categories. After saving, it might take a while for changes to reflect on Amazon, so be patient. Revisiting your chosen categories over time is also a good practice. The market ebbs and flows, and optimizing your categories periodically can keep your book in front of the right audience. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've now successfully updated your book's categories on KDP. Remember, refining these details can make all the difference in reaching your target readers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy publishing.